Greatest sources of vitamin B12. Role of vitamin B12 in the body. Diseases caused by vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency symptoms. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin B12 is not made in the body and needs to be absorbed through nutrition. But what are the biggest sources of vitamin B12? Clams, oysters, nutritional yeast, mussels, crab, sardines, trout, salmon, tuna, haddock, beef, milk, yogurt, eggs, chicken. Note: alcohol can affect your body's vitamin B12 absorption. If you drink too much, more than 2 drinks for males and more than 1 for females daily, your body will have difficulty absorbing the vitamin. What is the role of vitamin B12 in the body? Eating foods rich in vitamin B12 is important to protect the body against disease, because vitamin B12 is an essential component for DNA binding in the body, blood cells, and nerves. The liver is the main organ of the body where vitamin B12 is stored in a water-soluble form. If you are one of those people who avoid consuming animal products, replacing soy products is the healthiest solution to supply vitamin B12. What are the diseases caused by vitamin B12 deficiency? Lack of vitamin B12 in the body can affect the function of peripheral and central nerves and cause diseases such as depression. In addition, the lack of vitamin B12 in the body can be the cause of constant fatigue, weakness, and lack of concentration. Also, this compound is one of the important prerequisites in the production of red blood cells, and in case of vitamin B12 deficiency, anemia and then low blood pressure occur. One of the most important vitamins needed for the thyroid, which is essential for its proper functioning, is vitamin B12. What are the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency? The feeling of weakness and extreme fatigue, paleness and yellowing of the skin, persistent headaches, depression and mood changes, digestive problems such as constipation, poor concentration, pain and inflammation in the area of the mouth and tongue, tingling of the body, especially in the feet, not losing weight despite the diet, muscle cramps, visual disorders,